Well, good morning. Today's a great day, and tomorrow we have a picnic planned for a whole team. It's our Q2 team building event where we're gonna get all of our families together. We typically do this about once a year, and we've been so busy in the past that the summer seems to be the best time for it, and it's a nice time for it. Anyway, we're gonna be giving away something really special, something kind of a big deal, and let's go see what that is. Ooh. Good thing the grill is in a lot better condition than the cover. Looks like the wheels caught the cover and ripped it. So we actually won this grill for being the top dealer for a manufacturer in Canada, and they brought this over to us a year ago, and we kept telling our team we're gonna give this away, but we just haven't done it yet. Tomorrow's gonna be the day we do that. We're gonna have an awesome picnic, and we got all the families coming. It's gonna be a great day at the park. One family or one lucky person's gonna get this grill. All right, let's get it out there.
Well, part of getting ready for the company picnic is getting some drinks. And here my wife, she got us the drinks. The boys helped out. All my boys. Who knows, we'll see if they get on YouTube here. Sam's Club run, plenty of stuff. Not all for the picnic.
The time has come to get this grill loaded. You ready for this?
That grill.
Let's first move this cover. This is not helping our cause here for showing a nice grill. All right, Jesse's gonna help me out.
Oh man.
Oh, I don't even need to do anything.
Time for the party.
Oh man, this thing is really built well.
Make this happen there.
Maybe. I am on the way to get the inflatable. We've got a couple inflatables that our church has, and they've given me permission to grab it and take it to the park where we're going for our company picnic. And I know the kids that know about it are already pretty excited, but it's gonna be a fun time. Thanks for the help here. So Isaac was reminding me we should have brought the roller with us. We have a long ways to go over there.
Kylie will get it.
Kylie, you're gonna
Working out.
you're gonna make it happen. Oh, Russell's here.
I can't imagine.
This is just tiring watching this.
Let's set it down here. Russell is definitely hauling most of it right there.
Losing weight right.
Don't get under, you'll be a pancake.
Watch out there, bud.
Here, I got it. I got a piece.
Yeah, good job, Matt.
That's not helping. They're gonna make this a reality here.
Work.
You come
Oh, carpet burn.
when we're barefoot.
Maybe slide down, right?
This is legit. Those guys don't mess around.
Same thing, right on top. Double muffins.
Boys call that as well.
Awesome. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, absolutely.
Have a great feast, too, man.
Thank you. You're so helpful. Well, this is the aftermath, which means leftovers.
Right.
They're getting their name drawn for this Traeger grill. Of course, you've already seen it, but what you haven't seen is the inside. That's how it works. And these chips, they gotta be worth at least $100.
There are all my names in there.
For the winner of the Traeger. Let's go, Griffin.
Greg.
As the official recipient of the Traeger grill.
First annual.
Wow, no, that's, you almost got me. Vendors, if you have free stuff you want to give us, we will continue this. The tongs, they're plastic, but they represent something, is representing the winner of the Traeger grill. So congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
We're gonna pretend that you're grilling, you know, show us how this is done. All right. Thanks so much, guys. Let's have a great quarter 3, which we're already in, and let's keep it going. Blessings. It's going away. Wait, where? Are you taking it? Nice throw.
Appreciate it.
Hey, you're welcome. Thank you.
Thanks for having us. It was nice
Thank
meeting
you. This concludes our quarter 2 team building event. How was it?
Good. Good.
Good?
It was fun. It was fun.
You do it again?
Yeah. Yes.
All right, that's what you can look forward to if you're on the Ready team. But if you're not, you can still watch it and enjoy it with us. All right, God bless. Out.